Welcome to my channel Crochet Skills. In today's video you will learn how to crochet this ribbed cap. So if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe Crochet Skills. Don't forget to click the bell. Please like and share my. Okay, so let's start. Before starting my pattern, I just want to discuss some important points with you. Number one point is the measurement of the head. The measurement, just the most important part of the head. You need to first measure the circumference of your head and then you will make a slip knot and make chains. As you can see, I am working in adult size head, so I work 13 inches with my chain stitches because I am working the adult side, so it should be 13 inches in height. So this is the height of my head. It is 13 inches in height. So now I will start the pattern. I will just skip these first two chains and into the third chain I will work a half double crochet. For the half double crochet I will yarn over, go into the chain stitch, pull up a loop. You have 3 loops on the hook, pull it through all the loops together. This is my half double crochet. I will work one half double crochet till the end of my row. So this is the first row that is completed. Now I will work the second row and it will be the most important row because you have to completely repeat this till the end of my head. So this is the most important, and the second most important point of my head is you need to just chain 2, and this chain 2 would not be counted as a first double crochet. You will just work these chain 2 to just turn your work. You will not count it as first double crochet because usually we count it as first half double crochet, but these chain 2 are not first half double crochet. We will work back loop half double crochet. Yarn over, go into the back loop, pull up a loop, pull it through all the 3 loops. So please keep it in mind, this is the key of this pattern, that you need to work half double crochet in the back loops only. Just work half double crochet in back loop. Yarn over. As you can see, there are 2 strands of these stitches. Just go into the back one and work a half double crochet. So it gives a very beautiful look to the head and it will be more cozy than if you make back loop double crochets. There would be more holes, but if I am working back loop half double crochet, there is less holes and it's more cozy. So I will complete this row just by working one back loop half double crochet in each stitch. Then I will just make chain 2 for turn, and into this very first stitch I will work a half double back loop half double crochet, and then I will just work rows and rows I need. Okay, as you can see, my 40 rows are completed. This is exactly my measurement because I am working in adult size, so it's my head length is 30 inches long and the height is 13 inches. So now what I am going to do is I will attach this side of my head. This is the third key point of the head, that you need to join these 2 parts, but you need to do it very loose hand because if you will work very tightly, your stitches look would be destroyed. It will not look good because ribbing is already stretchy. So you need to just work loose slip stitches. So I will work one slip stitch into each loop. Take one loop from one side and one loop from the other side. So this is the wrong side of my head. I will work in wrong side. This is the right side. At the end we will just I will just do one slip stitch into each stitch. Okay, my slip stitches are completed. Now what I am going to do is I will just close this hole, the upper one. I need to squeeze it in size. Just weave this side, weave this thread with the help of your needle. I will weave it all around and then I will pull it very tightly because I need to just disappear this hole. So I am done with this. As you can see, it's squeezed from upside. Now I will stretch it because I need to just disappear this hole. Now I will take this pom pom, you can make it also. So I will attach it right here. I hope you have enjoyed my tutorial. I will just, okay, I will show you the right side. This is the right side of my head. I need to just turn it off and then I will show you how it looks at the end when I attach this pom pom on the top. Now I can fold this. Okay, this is how it will look at the end. I hope you will like it. So this is my hat. I hope you have liked it. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe Crochet Skills and don't forget to click the bell. Please like and share my videos. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much.